cable step up. What you want to do is grab a bench, bring it over close to the cables. We actually want to put a plate on top of these bench because these are too squishy and it's going to be too unstable for us to really get a lot out of our legs and our glutes. Get a D handle, attach it to make the thing go all the way down to the bottom. Joel's going to push through the center of his foot, mid-foot pressure, and he's really going to control the descent, use that lengthening eccentric phase, and he's actually conking out a little bit too early, so he can actually get higher plates so he can flex the hip more and get more length out of the glute. But he's executing well here. Control the descent, lengthen out the glute, and then press up. A lot of people really don't spend any effort down the bottom. They sort of jump from the bottom, shoot up, and then land. The amount of work that you've done in that movement is probably about this much in that range. We want to have work through the full range. Control up, and then control the descent. And that bottom bit is actually the most important bit where the load is on the glute. A good cue to use here, because we don't want to use the back foot to jump and take away from the load. Use a flat foot, so lift your toes up and only have it flat, so therefore you can't really jump or catch your landing.